just a check for. But I was grateful for what I'm doing do for me down there.
Marissa, I hear your place, you know. And I hear your decision, this, you know. But me I feel very uncomfortable. I see fuck that you're a bar there, so. And him I stay here, I feel very uncomfortable.
I know how you feel that way, you know. I want to say I can stay with you.
Remember say the bar there yard, you know. Him I go there yard. Man, I feel comfortable with that, brother.
So when I get a bartender, that would make you feel comfortable.
So yeah, sir. I really consider if you come stay there.
If it's not gonna make you feel uncomfortable, I'm not gonna do it.
You don't even know if you tell them, Marissa.
Yeah, yogurt? What? You get back light. Oh, may I come down the next week and look for you. May I carry some things? Okay? Alright.
So be able. I'm do.
He might do alright, you know, but them doubling medication. But one problem to our next problem.
So how I go on? Problem with him?
No, my mother side of family plus film side of family. I sent to them come from, you know.
I sent you no come from? Jaja. So that mean everything flat down there, so.
Yeah, man, I sent to will come from, but the good thing me I hear from my mother side of family them. But me not hear from film side of family them. So him up there worry and that just mess up my brain.
Boy, babe, me no want you take it too hard still, you know. I know you go through a lot, you know. Want you to take it easy, you see me? So you say you have plan for go down there?
Yeah, no, but me have too much on my mind right now. Too much.
So you say you don't want me to go down there for you then?
Me can go down there, you know. But this when we go, we have strong security guard because me say, me hear say them are rob people a lot down there.
So you don't know so me alone can be your security, how you talk about?
You know, easy, no, babe. But after this, we can talk about it. I don't really want to talk about it right now.
Alright, so you are going now. So anytime you plan to do that, just let me know what you are doing, you see me?
Yeah, I think maybe that go next week Wednesday, like how we not really work over here. So when you go, they can tell the bartender that she can work that day there.
And I think she go want to work still in a babe.
Why? She's sick. So she never worked last week.
Yeah. But
But what? So that's the me PR double for the day.
I know that. She has said you for just run off the bar cause last time you found over there you did style her.
Styler? Oh, my styler.
She said you come in a bar and just go turn on light and you not even say evening. And then next you ask where all under there.
Orlando, I come in at the bar, I say evening. But when I come in, I say evening, I say I like in at the bar. She asked me more at JPS. So I just step around and turn on the light.
And that she say. Say you just barge in a bar off with Orlando there. And just fly around the country and go one bag of attitude.
So wait there. Say I check the camera.
Babes, remember saying no camera no there in a bar, you know. Only outside it, then only rotate outside, you know. So you know rotate for reach in a bar. You know.
So, we believe.
Not even know who to believe. Remember say I hear a word against fear, you know.
You know, so that girl that could be a problem. You know that.
Kind of problem, sure. She have a right to say she not work if she don't want to work, you know. Remember say her day off, you know.
Another problem, the Orlando. And the problem and the fact that she like you. And then she like you, she start to like for me.
Suppose you never say evening and no member. Remember say you pray her for the first time you hear about her.
Oh, so you think I jealous, me jealous? Well, me know me come in and me say Evelyn. So she never tell us say. She asked me my work at JPS.
Yeah, she tell me that. We still have to hear from you if you did tell her evening. Because you have to remember say it's a business we are run though.
Hello? And I come for buy you know. Remember say me a part owner of the business. I'm a come in at the bar. I'm a sister night I come down and I like in at the bar. So me not for ask if I like in here.